Right then, Dave. So I've taken off your digitizer and LCD panel. So with the broken connector, let's have a look. Show you the connector. Alright, so on here you can see the legs that are still on there from the previous connector, so we're going to have to remove those and also remove the old pins from here. Do this. I'm going to do this with the hand soldering iron. I'm going to apply some leaded solder because it's easier to work with as it melts at a lower temperature. So let my iron heat up. This is a TS100. And a few things I'm going to do before I start is just to put some gloves on because I don't want any flux on my fingers, especially the cheap Chinese flux. It's cancerous. I should really have a fume extractor, I guess. Iron is up to temperature, 350 degrees. I'll do this under the microscope, I guess. So let's switch. So I'm just going to apply plenty of flux. We'll clean this up afterwards with a bit of alcohol. I'm going to apply solder to the tip. Keep the brass sponge close. We're just going to go in here. We're going to taking some solder wick. We're going to okay. So now we're just going to quickly clean this up. Tin some of these cables. Add more flux. We'll add the new connector. So next thing we're going to do is just get a bit of alcohol on there, clean up some of this flux. So with this ready to solder up, I'm actually going to apply some Kapton tape to here, so I have nudged this just a bit of a spacer with the iron, and it has that's a little bit, not going to really affect anything, but no harm in a little protection. So we'll move this iPad for a moment. And we'll have a look at this connector. Okay, this is tiny. Okay, writing's at the top, so I'm going to place this on. Not sure whether to do the metal legs first or the connection pins. I'll probably do these pins first. So, without further ado, let's bring the iPad back. Right, we'll get a little bit closer because we've got a bit of room. Okay, so we're gonna get this connector into place. So, more flux. Okay, so we've got a couple of points attached now, so I can just run this iron over these points. Right, so just going to add a little bit more flux to the end of my iron, and I'll do a final run on this connector. Tricky bit now is if we can get it with these legs quite a little bit. Right, that's the connector done. Right, okay. So, actually the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of all this adhesive around here. I'm going to apply right. While that alcohol is dissolving the glue, I'm going to get screwdriver set. That's most of the adhesive removed. Should be okay to reinstall now. Do is turn this round. That's your home button. have to reconnect. Right, that's those. That sits there like that. And our screen not make this easy. I suppose I should try turning this on. And we'll see if we've got a home button.